Hello, Greg White with Easy Vent Systems Incorporated. I'm here to show you how easy it is to install the 8x8 foundation dryer vent. Take the 8-inch plate, which is foolproof. You got a top. Doesn't matter if it's front or back. It's equal. Just give this plate to the mason and he's going to install it when he's laying his block work. Simply put it in the ear of the block, lay your next block. It's going horizontal, so we've just eliminated two 90-degree angles. When the block's done, carpenters will put on the top sill plate. That's probably how you want to do it on the job site. The other thing we do is we offer two different tubes. A crimp tube for flex pipe or 4-inch smooth if you're running rigid pipe. So when you place your order, you tell us which one you want. Then you come back, put in the tube, insert in. It's a bayonet fitting. Turn it to the right 10 degrees. This is the cover, has a bayonet fitting. Put that on. Locks into place, 10 degrees. It's done. Ready to run your tubing. Now the advantage to this is being below the floor joist, you just eliminated up to two 90-degree turns on your vent. Plus that, just by simply turning, removing, stick your shop vacuum in there for easy cleaning. You could even stick your hand in there.